Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I will put about a to the power of 3 over 2 and s to the power of 3 over 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides because I want to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So first derivative of u square, we have 2u. First derivative of s to the power of 3 over 2, we have about 3 over 2 s to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got about 0. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we can put this one go to the left because s to the power of 1 over 2, that is about the square root of s. So we just divide both sides by this one. So about this one we change by u. The square root of s ds we change by this one. So I will put the number in here. U and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.